Appearing before Superior Court Judge Anita Sokola this morning, Jesse, Rhonda, and Vanessa Aguero sat by their attorneys and one by one explained why the child abuse charges against them should be dropped. As we reported, police back in April responded to a disturbance along Dagu Lane in Manilao when they came across several individuals living in a wooden tin shack. The home had a single dirty mattress and was littered with dirty diapers. Police found a teenager with her 8-month-old child in the home who stated she hardly had any food to eat or feed the kids and often feeds the baby Kool-Aid in a bottle. Her mother, Vanessa Aguero, was accused of holding back the WIC and food stamp benefits that were supposed to go to her daughter and grandchild. Her husband, Jesse, has been on pre-trial release after posting $5,000 bail days after his arrest. Rhonda is accused of leaving her 3-year-old child with her teenage sister, sometimes for days without food. Despite the police report, Jesse's attorney Randy Cunliffe told the court the 2 counts of child abuse against his client should be dismissed entirely, as he argues the indictment is duplicitous. Cunliffe argues he is unsure of what his client is being accused of, as the indictment states his client unreasonably caused or permitted the physical or emotional health of the child, likely causing death or bodily injury. He argues the indictment provides no facts and would confuse a jury. Vanessa's attorney John Terlahi and Rhonda's attorney Anthony Camacho concurred with Cunliffe's argument. Attorney Camacho called the language in the alleged defective indictment broad and overreaching. However, Assistant Attorney General Nelson Werner argued there is only one crime being argued in this case. He adds the government is not required to pick a specific act of the alleged crime committed, and he says the indictment is not invalid. Werner adds the one physical act being alleged is the charge of child abuse. Now, both Vanessa and Rhonda remain in the custody of the Department of Corrections. Judge Sokola, meanwhile, has taken the matter under advisement and will schedule it for further proceedings once she makes a final decision. Reporting from Hagåtña for Guam's News Network, I'm Nick Delgado.